Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix the cannot change Windows 10 power plan. How to fix this type of error. Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all go to your command prompt, right click run as administrator. After opening that, type a power cfg space slash restore default scheme. After doing this chat, restore default schemes, press enter. After that, type exit to exit the command prompt. The second method, after doing this chat, restart your computer, and I'm sure that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that go to your start menu and go to your settings, go to your updates and security. After doing this chat, go to your troubleshoot, go to your additional troubleshooters, scroll down and find out power. Click on it and click on run the troubleshooter. It's required of a few seconds to find out the issues. After completing that, close it, restart your computer, and I am sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.